Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy BEEZY back with a brand new video. Today, it's like a regular day. You know, it's a Monday. Today is the 12th of August. We're going to be doing a nice little live trading session. You know, I'm using my regular pair 0 USD. I'm going to be hitting up British pounds and Australian dollars. Going to see if we can, make that 15K profit we had last time. But before we jump right into it, you know I gotta plug myself, so don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification button so you know when a new video drops, as well as join the best Telegram channel that ever existed for the best info, how to trade, and you can watch my live trades. And if you want to follow them, that's your choice. I also have a VIP where you can follow my live trades, but that's all on you. It's absolutely free. You don't gotta pay me a dime. Links will be in the description. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's dive right into the chart, and as you can see, let me just start recording my screen real quick so we can get onto this. So as you can see, I've got JBP, Australian dollars, as well as British pounds, Canadian dollars, and USD. These are my go-to pairs right now, and I'm sniping. They're both at 90%. I'm looking at the market for a minute. I'm going to do a little bit of analysis, and I'm going to try to see what time frame we can work in and what time frame we can make some money from today. And so first thing I like to look is how's the market is doing for the whole day. I've been looking at my news. I know that the market is trending a little bit upwards today, just at the beginning. So this kind of thing that I'm looking at is trending upwards. But right now it looks like we're going through a little bit of a change. Let me move this trend I had in. Alright, so we'll reduce our time frame to about 30 minutes. We'll see a little bit of confirmation seeing that the market has been dipping downwards. We're just looking at zones. Alright, so we'll take it from right here. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is come to our M5, and now we're really trying to look for those zones a little better. And we're trying to mark them right here. Trying to mark those zones. Can't really click. Quick option really has to do a better job with this. Okay, I'm just gonna make it a little thicker. Gonna mark them. Just want to see how far the market is going over there. So right here, we'll go for where the market moves change, somewhere around here. Let's say this is the lowest point right here. No, I'm still a little bit higher. So we see that change, kind of similar. And now we'll put this point as the highest point on the market. But it's our 5-minute frame. But we're staying here on 5-minute time frame just to see just generally a little bit of how the market moves. So right now we can see the market pulling up a little bit. We don't want to get fooled by that. So let's go back to about 10 minutes, and I want to see. I'm still pretty right on this. Alright, so we'll go to M3, and still pretty on the money. So right here, what I'm looking at is possible return. I like the way these candles look. We're looking at the lowest point before today. That is the lowest point right now. I'm gonna put another marker right here, kind of to break that. I think we're going up, so we're looking for a way that we can really take money on these funds. So I think I'm going 2% today, feeling a little bit more, taking a little bit of a risk, if you feel me. So right here we can see the market diving. We've put our points, and now we're just looking for a good entry point to enter into a call. And I think it's going to be a call, but I'm still waiting for the right signal right here, because one of the first things that I'm looking at is that price is still being pushed down, even though it looks like it had a little bit of a turn. You can see that price still being pushed down on our 1-minute time frame. Now if we're going to a 3-minute time frame, you can see they're almost the opposite, but right now we're just waiting for that turnaround point, and I think that this might be it right here. See that price being pushed down a little, and I think we can enter into a call for $900 right quick right there. Quick little 1-minute time frame. So as you can see, let me show you my open. You can see open trade right there. It's looking good for 44. Gonna try to do one more. Only $800. It's looking kind of good with a couple of points over. I'll say about. Okay, now it's getting real close, but we're gonna see. We should be able to enter. Should we take profit on that before this candle runs out? So see, we're targeting exactly. We're a little bit above, maybe like 1 second ahead, or a little more than the candle, but I don't think that it's really gonna affect our profit in this case. And that's a nice. Show you right there. That's a nice little profit that we just took. So we might continue to follow this trend and see, but we can see that the overall trend here, while it's trending upwards, you can still see how the market is moving, and that's a very good thing that you have to keep in mind. That's a good thing you have to keep in mind every time when you're trading, that even despite the fact that the market might look exactly like it's going in one direction, you don't want to get caught up in the fact that you want to enter into a trade and you might end up losing that. So that's a nice little start for us. I'm going to close that, show my open. So we still want to follow that trend upwards. If we go back to our 3 minutes, we can see the market is just trying to creep up. So this might be another good chance for us to take some more out of this. So we're waiting for that to ride a little bit down. I might enter into a call right here as well. Look at these candles. Look at them. I don't see this price being pushed up, so I'm a little worried about entering into a call right there. And you can see how flat it is on my stochastic oscillator as well. So we're thinking this might be a situation where the market is moving a little bit sideways, and this might be a little bit more difficult to predict where the market is going to go from here. But overall, if we were to go in for a longer time frame, I think if we were to go for like 3 minutes, I'll go into a call right here for 3 minutes. And I think in 3 minutes, we're definitely going to take profit on that. So changing your time frame, being able to look, because I've seen other pairs, and I'm able to make that distinction real quick. Now let's go into analysis of Euro USD. So right here, we're on 1 minute. We can start with 1 minute, or we can go back and backtrack looking at every single time frame. But just by looking at this chart, there's a couple of things that I could take away from it. So first thing I'm looking at is how the market has been moving. You can see. So if you're looking generally, just how would you say this market is moving? You say downwards. If you see, just looking at the market structure, you see the market has been kind of moving downwards. So right here, what am I looking at? Strong candles. Well, let's see the market fighting back here. So I'm just gonna put my recent support, and I'm gonna put my resistance way up here. But at the same time, I put another marker here just because I'm looking at the last couple of points. And this also could put a point of reversal. But you see, last time the market turned at 109.157. And we might still see the market being pulled all the way down here. But you can see the price is being pushed up, which sometimes isn't a great sign. But I think that there is nothing that says that the market should absolutely turn right here. I mean, we have one situation here at 109.178, and which is very, very close to the price right here. So that could be a point where the market changes as well. There's nothing. So you can see that we see a little bit of flush of market moving up. I should have looked at my higher frames first so I could get a better picture. And when I look at M10, this just shows that the market is going to still fall down in my mind. So this might be a fluke right there. So I might enter into 1 minute. I missed the good mark to enter, but I'm going to still enter for another. See, the market pulls up a little bit higher. I would have wanted to enter like somewhere around here. That would have been a great point to enter. By entering 1 minute here, I could have gone a little bit. Maybe I should have done 2 minutes. And I felt like that would have probably hit. Because you see, if I had entered here, Come on, that would have been gold money. But right here is still not bad, but I'm just thinking it's a little bit more risky with 30 some seconds left. So our 3 minute trade seems to have paid out. You see, we were able to enter that because we saw where the market was going. Even though, you know, we might have made money by our 1 minute trade, but it would have been so close that it would have been, you know, impossible for us to take. Oh my God, last minute pull down. God damn. So probably here our 1 minute trade could have worked, but God damn, that was tough. That was unbelievably tough. But we're able. What? How many points was that off? Oh my God, that's crazy. Boy. 2 points difference. All right, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. All right, guys, you can see not every day is good. We're down. So right here, we're gonna go one trade to kind of see if we can pull it all back. We'll risk about $2 on this trade. So now we can see definitely the market is moving up. Which here we're still gonna go to JPP USD, and we're expecting a call. We're expecting to enter a call right here. I might go with Euro USD for a minute. Let's check our high time frame. M10. Yeah, that is not looking good either. All right, so this is what we're gonna do right here. I think a call is the right move to make. We can see strong candles right here. This looks like a point of reversal. So I'm just gonna try to snipe my way into a nice little call anywhere here. Just waiting for that time. Okay, I'm gonna enter a little bit earlier than I wanted to, but I'm just gonna hope that that price doesn't push past and we see that green. We see that green and we're able to, you know, get in a little bit of profit, I hope, for today. So yeah, green long candles, what I like to see when I'm trading. So as you can see, not every situation happens the same way. Like I'm using the same strategy that I used to make 15K the other day that I showed you, and you can see today, it's not even bringing that same amount of result as it did. So everything changes on a day-to-day basis. The most important thing is to keep your head up and, you know, continue doing it. You know, I put my head down on this. I'm taking my profits. I'm probably just gonna leave it at this for today, and that's pretty much it. Nice little 2,000, 2 bands. So pretty much a little bit of profit for today. Wouldn't say that it was the best day. You can see what my other track records looks like, but today, you know, 4 trades, you go 2 for 2. You can't call it a bad day. Yeah, we're in profit for about a couple of grand, so for me, that's okay. I'm take it or leave it. Some days you get 15K profit, some days you take 1,000, some days you take 500. It is what it is. So thank you guys very much for joining me for another BEEZY Trade video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want the best info, you want to watch me trade live every single day, and you want to see if you could also take part, I've got a VIP that's absolutely free. And you can see my trades live, get info. Everything is absolutely free. You don't got to pay me a dime. So don't forget to, you know, go join the Telegram channel. Links will be in the description. And don't forget to support your boys on all platforms as well as Instagram, whether it's YouTube. You know, share the video with family and friends, because, you know, we're doing a big best live trading in the game when it comes to poker option. I don't play. So thank you guys for joining me. It's your boy BEEZY, and I'm out.